Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Canva account. You can simply do this using your email address. And once you are logged in, you can see your account on the top right corner. So if you're just getting started with Canva, at one point you'll need to upload images to this tool. Now once you are here, there are two ways you can upload images into Canva. The first method, you can go directly to the upload button, which is this, and then click on it to enable upload. Now from here, drag and drop your file here. You can drop both image and video file in your Canva account. So I can just take an image from my desktop and then drop it here. And then choose if you want to use this image in your design or if you want to edit it. So let me select the first option. I want to use the image in a new design. And from here, go ahead and select the size of your design. For instance, I'll go with the default one and then click on create to open a file with the same image. And here we go. The file now is being uploaded and it is here. That is the first method you can use to upload your image in Canva. Now in the second method, if you are going to use the image in your creation, click on create a design here or choose the already made sizes, custom made sizes, depending on what you want to use it for. Suppose you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, just click on YouTube thumbnail and it will open for you a blank design that you can start editing. Now to add your image here, you'll need first to go and click on upload and then add your image by dragging and dropping it here. Or you'll need to go take it from your computer and then drop it inside like that. And as you can see, the second image has been added. If you still need more, you can still go ahead and drag and drop it in your Canva account. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me.